I finally completed an important milestone for SoulShape Studio. I successfully integrated my two 3D printers with my AI agent. Now, instead of manually checking every print, the agent can help me monitor the printers, track print status, and support order planning based on jobs waiting in the queue. The goal is simple: make 3D printing more automated, more organized, and easy to manage, even for a small one-person business. With this setup, I'll be able to send prints job remotely through the agent, track whether the print is running, paused, completed, or facing any issues, and get a regular updates without constantly standing near the printer. This test print was done in my actual printing environment, and what you are seeing now is the time lapse of that print. This is still the beginning stage, but it opens up a lot of possibilities. In the future, I'm planning to improve this agent further with better order queue management, automatic print planning, filament tracking, failure alerts, customer updates, and business level production monitoring. For me, this is not just about connecting printers. This is about building a smart 3D printing workflow where AI helps manage real production work. More improvements are coming soon. Follow and subscribe SoulShape Studio to see how I build AI powered 3D printing business step by step.